Found Dr. Pollei on a Google search, and I was looking for somebody local to my area, and he was one of the first people to come up. What I was looking for in a doctor, I was having a major issue breathing for the last 15 years through my nose. Needed somebody that could correct a deviated septum. My past healthcare experiences were very, I would call it clinical, where there was no care, you were just a number to a doctor. The minute I walked into this office, I felt like I was talking to a friend. Somebody was actually very knowledgeable about it and literally was sold the minute I walked in the door. The biggest factors that made me happy that I chose Dr. Pollei was not only Dr. Pollei, but the staff, the follow-up, the surgical center. The whole process was virtual pain-free for me. How has my life changed? Dr. Pollei, it's a very interesting story. The guy pretty much saved my life. I came in for a deviated septum. He immediately looked in the back of my throat and noticed that I had sleep apnea without even, sending me through a sleep study, which led me to a physical where they discovered other stuff. So if it wasn't for Dr. Pollei, I don't know if I'd actually be sitting here today, because there was major issues that were going on in my life at that time. And it started with a deviated septum and, ended up with, I would like to say better health now. The main reasons I'd recommend patients to Dr. Pollei is simply the level of care, the level of expertise, and the knowledge that he provides. If anyone's looking for a doctor like Dr. Pollei, I would say don't waste your time talking to anybody else. This is pretty much the only place in South Orange County you need to come to.